Hey y'all, it's Catfish Cameron. Today we're on the river, y'all. I've got my boat. Just setting up camp right now, guys. We're gonna get a couple lines in while we set up. We're gonna put the boat in for the very first time in the river, guys. See how we do. Nice overcast day, not too hot, a little bit of wind. Have a good feeling about today, guys. Let's get to fishing. I'm gonna keep setting up camp. Keep checking this out. This is a whole new experience for me, guys. Tell you what, hopefully we get some action. This is all new to me, guys. Guys, no. Dang, guys, that was a good takedown.
I just got tapped on this one.
Well, caught us a soft shell, guys. There you go, guys. Caught us a soft shell. Hit that pretty quick. Drop him right off the side here. Ooh. Got a blue. Nice, guys. Got a blue. Don't spin off, buddy. Nice, guys. Finally. Sweet. Heck yeah. Woo. Heck yeah. Nice little blue cat. Heck yeah, guys. Woo. Not half bad. Not half bad at all. Dropped it. You drop it. Dang. I don't know if he's there still or what. Oh, darn it, guys. Darn it. Well, they're starting to bite, guys. There's that little blue, guys. Heck yeah. First fish on the boat. We'll send him on. Nice, guys. Heck yeah. They're starting to bite. There's our bait, guys. Some carp. Man, those were some good takedowns. I missed. At least we got that blue. Ooh. How the happen again? Damn. Hit that, took the bait and he's gone. Oh, he's swimming off with it. You're Something wrong with this hook. There's got to be something wrong with this hook. Man, there's got to be something up with this hook, dude. That one was literally swimming with it. Oh, he was literally swimming with it, guys. Tie up a new leader for sure. That's the 5th fish I've missed on that hook. Something's up with it. That's a brand new hook too. And it's sharp, guys. I just don't know how I'm missing them. Great. Damn. There you go again. Oh my God. He spun me off, guys. There's something wrong with that hook. Alrighty, y'all, we're gonna head back to camp. It's getting dark. Down here solo, so I don't want to be on the river at nighttime. My very first time out, guys. We definitely had some good action. See you back at the bank, guys. Another blue, guys. Another darn blue. Woo, they're biting today, guys. Well, there goes that blue cat, guys. Heck yeah. Not a half bad fish. Sent him on his way. Woo! Heck yeah, guys. Alrighty, guys, there goes that blue cat. Sent him on his way. There it goes. There's that little blue, guys. Off to fight another day. What's he doing? Make your way through there, buddy. Alrighty. Heck yeah, guys. Alrighty, we're gonna be putting some glow sticks on our rods tonight, guys. That has a whisker seeker light on it, but we're gonna tape some more glow sticks on there so we can see the action, guys. Alrighty, guys, as you can see, I just got that glow stick taped on the rods, guys. You'll be able to see those real nice. Alrighty, y'all, right here we have myself a dinner pack. Chicken, potatoes, and a corn on the cob. We're gonna put that in the fire, guys. Probably gonna take an hour or two to cook. Slow on the coals, guys. Alrighty, guys, here's our little dinner. About an hour later, still extremely hot. There's my potatoes. Real good. Guys, we got some chicken, nice and cooked, hopefully. Sure looks cooked. Oh yeah. And we got our corn on the cob right there, guys, fixing to eat. Oh. Ooh. Well, good morning, y'all. Slept all night, woke up and we had a blue cat on, guys. Not a half bad one right there. Didn't even ring my bells though. Who knows how long this fish has been on the line, guys. He was just sitting there when I reeled in. Not a half bad blue, guys. Probably about a 5 or 6 pounder. Alright, guys, there goes that early morning blue. I bet you he was on there for hours, guys, because just barely woke up. And My line was totally moved. He was there, just sitting. It's a pretty fat blue, guys. He is tired, I can tell. He was on there for hours, guys. He was literally on that line for hours. There goes that blue cat, guys. Fight another day for him. Nice, guys. Nice. Well, guys, I haven't even finished waking up yet. We got another darn blue right there, guys. Hit that fresh bait as soon as I put it down there. Didn't even have time to set up, guys. Woo. Not bad, guys. Hit that fresh carp. There goes that blue cat, guys. Big old turtle, guys. There's that turtle, guys. Let's help him out. Look how crazy the pattern on him. Amazing pattern on that turtle, guys. Holy moly. That's awesome. There he goes. Slow guy. Look how fat he is. I think that's a Rio Grande slider. Real pretty thing. There he goes, guys. Tough ass. Hey all, this was Catfish Cameron with another one, guys. Had a good time. Very first time having my boat out on a river, guys. Super fun. Got on them blue cats. It's tough out here. You got to put in some work. At least come with fresh bait. I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more, guys. Woo!